A booking event will allow your website visitor to book an appointment online. To access booking events, go to the top navigation menu of your website builder and click on Appointments. Inside of the Booking Events window, click on the Create New Booking Event button. Inside of the About the Booking window, under Event Name, type a name for the booking event. Under Description, add a description for the event. Under Location, enter the location where the event will occur. On the bottom of the page, you will have the option to send the client an email with details about the event when they make the appointment. Then click on Next. Inside of the Operators and Services window, you will be able to add operators to the booking event. To add an operator or service to the booking event, click on the Add an Operator button. Inside of the Operators window, click on the Add New Operator button. Inside of the Add New Operator window, type in a name for the operator. Add the operator's email address. Here, the operator will be notified of the booking. Then describe the operator's role. This could be the service they are offering. You can then upload an image of the operator inside of the camera block. A color code can also be added for different operators. Then click on Save. The new operator will now be listed inside of the Operators window. To add the operator to the booking event, click on the Add button. The operator will now be added to the booking event. Once you have added your services and operators, click on Next. Inside of the Availability window, you will be able to set the availability of the booking operator. Here you will be able to change the booking type, the meeting duration, when the operator is available for bookings, the days and times, excluded days, availability increments, scheduling notice, and buffer between the appointments. You will also be able to limit the amount of sessions per day for the selected operator. Once you have added all the settings, click on Next. Inside of the Form Questions window, you will be able to ask your website visitor for additional details before they make their booking reservation. To edit the form details and ask more questions, click on the Edit Form Questions button. In the Edit Form Questions window, click on the Add Field button. Inside of the CRM Properties window, you will be able to add more fields to your form. Click on each field to add it to your form. To edit the field on the form, click on the Settings icon. To delete a field, click on the dustbin icon. Once you have added all the form fields, then click Save. Your form fields will now be listed inside of the Form Questions window. Once you have created your form, click on Next. Inside of the Confirmation window, you will be able to add details on the confirmation page once the website visitor has completed their online booking. Here you will be able to select between a default confirmation message or a custom web page which will be displayed after the booking has been made. Inside of the default confirmation message screen, you will be able to add a message header and a description with any additional information about the booking. You will also be able to add a Call to Action button to the confirmation screen. Once you have completed the confirmation details, click on Save. Your new booking event will now be added inside of the Booking Events window. We will show you how to add the booking event onto your web page later on in the course.